The TurboBlaze 9-in-1 Air Fryer, 6-quart, a feature-rich gadget that promises crispy results with less oil. First off, this model features a premium ceramic non-stick coating on the basket and crisper tray, so cleanup is smoother and there's less sticking. It supports a wide temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, about 30 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius, giving you flexibility whether you're doing gentle dehydration or high-heat crisping. According to its listing, it uses an innovative 5-fan speed airflow system, TurboBlaze technology, that circulates superheated air evenly, and the manufacturer claims it reaches 3,600 RPM fan speed to deliver consistent cooking results. The control panel is touch-based, and there's a preheat function that auto-adjusts time depending on target temperature. The capacity is generous. The square 6QT basket is designed to serve a family, and thanks to its shape, it gives more usable space than a round basket. Noise is reportedly low, less than 53 dB even at higher fan speeds. Let's talk real-world use. In my testing, cooking fries or wings yielded good crispiness. Both are very delicate items. Thin fish fillets, for example, the intense airflow sometimes caused lighter pieces to shift. The non-stick basket made cleanup quick. Rinse, soak, and wipe mostly handled it. One slight gripe: there's a learning curve with the settings, time versus temperature, to get the perfect crisp. Some users in the reviews echo that at first you may overcook a bit as you calibrate. That said, many reviews praise its even cooking, solid build, and versatility: roast, bake, broil, dry, reheat, etc. As for value, the price fluctuates. Watch for deals, but given its features and capacity, it sits competitively among premium air fryers. In conclusion, if you want a high-capacity, well-coated, flexible air fryer with strong airflow and quiet operation, the TurboBlaze is a strong pick. If you cook small portions only, it might feel oversized. Be sure to experiment with times early on. Thanks for watching. We share by links in description box.